Hey, it's Jim again, and here I'm at our newest listing right now that I want to show you. We're in Green Valley right now. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, and it has a huge yard. And I just want to show you, we just got recently renovated. Come in and let's take a look, all right? So first thing you notice, just new landscaping. It's already desert landscapes, low water usage and low maintenance too. But oh, come on, let's take a look. Like this house, it's got a nice little front porch. I love little front porches. And let's come on to the house, all right? First thing you came in, it's brand new flooring throughout. It's got a little step down sunken living room area. There's window coverings for the whole house already too. A remodeled fireplace area as well. I think it turned out pretty nice. Back this way, this is our kitchen and dining room area. So here we're kind of in the dining area, and then back here is the kitchen. New countertops, backsplash, and new stainless steel appliances. I think it looks really nice in here. Coming on back this way is our laundry room. There's washer and dryers included as well too. There's a pantry, walk-in pantry, I would say. Back this way is the little powder room for downstairs. Been remodeled as well. We have quartz countertops, just brand new everything in here. And since it's kind of an older house, they have this door that leads out of the bathroom. Interesting design. You probably wouldn't see it in a newer home, but I think it's unique to this one. So let's go upstairs real quick. I like this living room because we have this high vaulted ceiling, but let's go take a look upstairs. So they did the stairs, same vinyl wood stairs coming up. All right, so up here, we're at this landing upstairs here. Here's bedroom number 1. Window coverings, ceiling fan, closet, the whole thing. This one even has a remote. Bedroom number 2, this one. All right. But, you know, simple. It's got a closet, ceiling fan, we're good. And then finally, here's the guest bath. Did the same thing, quartz countertops, flooring, new tile enclosure and everything, and a nice one-piece toilet in here as well too. Finally, here's the master. This one has a vaulted ceiling, so feels bigger and nice in here. You got a view of the backyard from this window. It has a walk-in closet as well too on this one. All right. And also the master shower has been redone. So just new tile work throughout. The hex tiles here on the bottom I like a lot. So that's the upstairs, and let's take a look at this huge lot, all right? Here's the backyard. There's some turf and some more turf, and then the rest is desert landscape as well too. It's got a big side area. You could make this into like an RV gate if you wanted to. It's wide enough. You have access to come in this way too. That's good. Definitely a pool-sized lot or whatever you want, pickleball court, anything like that. And then they had some kind of fountain here in the past. I don't think it works anymore, but use it for whatever. And then over here, there's a whole nother side yard as well. So this is a whole nother side yard. It was fenced off, and I think they just left it that to have some separation. All right, so there's a utility closet, access to that bathroom, and also a door to the garage over here. So all in all, like I said, this is a Green Valley house. HOA is only like $115 a year. Annual taxes on this is like $1,800 a year. And that's it. So it's just hitting the market this week. If you want to schedule a showing, hit me up and we'll schedule something for you.